So hey everyone, welcome back in the another video. So in this video, we will learn how to implement dynamic pagination using JavaScript React. So basically, whether you are a working professional or try to switching job, so dynamic pagination it is most important machine coding round of interview. And this question might be asked in your next coding round. So for that, how to implement that dynamic pagination and how you think how you approach that problem in the interview. So we discuss briefly in this video. So what exactly pagination is and how we can implement the pagination. So for implementing pagination, I take one dummy API. So dummy JSON API is this. So I am using this dummy API products, and around 194 products are here inside this object. Total number is 194. So we try to use that objects and API and implement. This is a product array inside that total 194 data is present. So before using this, so I try to code in a code sandbox. So the code sandbox is nothing but the online environment. So here we can write our code without any installation something kind. So how to implement the pagination? For implementing pagination, so whenever your interviewer give me one task for implementing pagination something like that, so that time your approach is try to discuss with the interviewer what exactly you are building and which technology you can use for building that pagination, and ask the interviewer uh, if you are provided any API or just I can use dummy JSON object data. So if interviewer provide one API, so try to use that API, and this is dummy JSON data. So I try to use this data. So for that, so what exactly my first task? So my first task is whatever I see that data on the screen, try to copy that whole data and paste it here. So try to fetch this all data from products and fetch or display on your screen. For displaying that data, firstly I need to use fetch method for displaying data. So for that I am using, I create one fetch data something, and inside that I call one page this function. So inside that I just pass the URL of my data. So let me copy and paste my URL. So this is URL. So when you are trying to fetch any data, that data definitely one promise to how to resolve that promise. So this is nothing but definitely response, and this is one promise. So how you are resolving the promise by using a sync and await method something. So response dot data, that data convert into JSON format. So data dot JSON format, I try to convert that data into JSON format. So and after that I try to print that resource, and this is nothing but fetch data or JSON. And then here I'm writing a response uh, as a products. So this is products. So I try to implement here means I need to create one variable so that nothing but products. So inside that uh, I store my value or my products in one state. So for that I am creating, and here I can use state. Here I can write here, and that array is right now is empty. Okay, so what exactly fetch dot data is not function here. You can say why this is happen. Rather than doing this, I just call data, it's fine. And whenever but data.json is he gives me some error. Let me find out first that data converted into JSON format. It's fine. And then data.json is not a function. What exactly happened? So for that, I need to call inside this whole thing in function. So that function name is fetch data. So this is all everything is inside the function. Sorry guys, I'm forgotten to write everything. And that definitely function is nothing but async await. I'm using asynchronous sync. Yes, sync, and the response is I'm await awaiting for the response. So let me await this JSON as well. So this is my fetch data function. And how I can map data, it's important. So let me map inside this data, or let me check what sorry guys for the interruption. So uh, here I can write the fetch data function. So inside my what my task is uh, mapping the data. So basically here I'm writing pagination nation here, so it looks awesome. Then so page data dot map. So what exactly I am trying to mapping the products. And here inside that one div. So that div is nothing but for div I pass one key. Okay, so for key, what is the key? So p dot here in dummy JSON, this is id is key for me, so that's why I can write p dot id here. And then uh, then what exactly I wanted to print show here. So this is title and the category and price. So basically here image are images. So image in it's in a array. So rather than using that image, I can use the thumbnail. So let me check how I can use that thumbnail. So image I can pass something and writing the thumbnail. So how to write p dot thumbnail here, and then I can write title as well. So basically for h5 tag I can map through the p dot title as well. So let me check. I can get one error message. I can resolve it later. So firstly build something. So here in alter, never remove that alt tag because it's a practice for a good developer. So inside that, try to add some title as well. So let me check. Page data dot map is not a function. So page data dot map. So page data is here. So this is nothing but it's a sync function, and dot map for mapping that my products data, and I can write key and all. So let me check. So sorry, I forgot it to I write. So this is right, okay, because this is a function, and I can store everything in a variable. That variable is a products. So products dot map, it's the right thing. And then after that, uh, thumbnail is here. So then p side, inside p, the tag is also there, but still I can't get any response. Why? So some editor problems might be, and why this issue, I never see anything issue here. And when I map through that, definitely data shows on my screen, and this is not happening with me right now. So let me try to resolve what exactly error, which types of error happening right now. And inside that span tag, I try to copy copy one category something. So which category that product belongs to. So first is a beauty category. So p dot category as well. So but still I can't get any data. So firstly, when I get data, that data is set into this set products. Okay. Uh, Products here maybe spelling mistakes. Pro DUCTS. It's right, I hope, but still not getting any response. Let me check in console what exactly the error was happening in my data, because I mapped through that products, but still not get anything, and console is empty here. Inside console is not okay. So maybe let me check what exactly the. So basically here I am forgetting to write use effect. So inside that use effect, I call that page data function. So I can forget it to write. So due to that, it's not show me any kinds of data on this page. But when I implement this, and you can see the overall whole data present on the screen. Let me refresh again, and you can see the data. So this is data, you can see. So this is all data are present, and this is a thumbnail, and this is a title, and this is a category of that product. So this is all around 194 something data are present, and some thumbnails are missing as well, because some issue. I don't know why that is happening, but you can see the all thumbnails, and the title I can show on the this is screen. So For before creating or adding some pagination, your task is to fetch that all data from the API and try to display on the screen. So this is part one of this video. I try to break create video in a two part. So this is part one, how to fetch data and display on screen. So in next part, I try to implement actual pagination and creating some card type components inside card. We can focusing on little bit style as well. So this is my data. You can see the pagination, and here I can write dynamic pagination as well. So this is thumbnail and title and beauty. So this is our first target. The right now we successfully achieve our first target. So whenever you can get this type of problem, then try to break down that problem into small part. So when you are break down into small part, then it's very easy for solving. So our first task is to fetch data and display whatever data on the screen. So we are successfully achieving our first task. Then our next task is try to create card for each data. So I'm creating that card and then try to implement logic for the pagination as well. So this video definitely come, maybe I uh, definitely this video is I will record tomorrow because right now actually I have some work. So this is my task one from pagination, and my task two is create some styling card, create card components. So inside that map everything. So here I can create two divs. So it's very easy for doing, and then implement that features in pagination. So everything happen in tomorrow's video. So I hope you can understand whatever I have developing right now. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and see you in the tomorrow's video. Bye.